Hello everyone, I am Kavalashni Bhupati. I am pursuing my first MSc Microbiology in Vivekananda Arts and Science College for Women, Sangagiri, Salem. I am going to explain a topic on secondary wastewater treatment which was undertaken by Dr. R. Dinesh Kumar Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, via Salem. Okay, now we can see about what is wastewater treatment and membrane bioreactor, what are the components of membrane bioreactor, principle, construction and its types in detail. What is meant by secondary wastewater treatment? Let us see the definition. Secondary wastewater treatment is nothing but the wastewater which is already treated or primarily processed is again treated with the microorganisms, especially bacteria, fungi and protozoans to get the end products like carbon dioxide, water and biomass. The important bacteria which is involved in secondary wastewater treatment are aerobic bacteria like Pseudomonas, nitrifying bacteria like Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter, and some other denitrifying bacteria. Pseudomonas helps to degrade or consume the organic matters like carbohydrates, proteins and fats, whereas nitrifying bacteria is also involved in this process which helps to convert the ammonia into nitrite and then into nitrate, while the denitrifying bacteria helps to convert the nitrate into harmless nitrogen gas. What is mean by membrane bioreactor? Membrane bioreactor is an advanced treatment system. It is used for wastewater treatment. It is a biological and filtration system, whereas the microorganisms and filters like macro and microfilters are used to remove the organic matters, suspended solids and some other waste from the waters. This is the construction of membrane bioreactor. It has all the specific parts which is used to remove the waste from the wastewater. The main principle of the membrane bioreactor is to break down the hard and complex organic matters into simple form. At the same time, it filters and suspends the solids in the filtration. It allows only the pure water to pass through them. Then, the membrane bioreactor has various components such as aeration system and tank, membrane module, control system and waste system, and also the permeate pump. Let us see the components in detail. Bioreactor or aeration tank, in which the sludge is placed and the microorganisms are activated to degrade the organic matters into simple form. It is operated under the aerobic conditions. Membrane module, it consists of a microfiltration or macrofiltration in which the suspended solids, biomass and bacteria are retained. Common membrane material include PVDF and PEF. Aeration system, which is located below the membrane module, it helps to supply the oxygen for microbial activity. The next one is permeate pump. It applies pressure in the bioreactor, which is also help to filter and draw the treated water through the membrane, and it controls the filtration rate. The most important component of the membrane bioreactor is sludge wasting system because it helps to maintain the desired biomass by removing the excess sludge from the bioreactor. Pre-treatment, it consists of screen and grid chamber. The large particles are removed from this chamber to protect the damage of the system. The next major component is control system. It plays an important role in maintaining and dissolving the oxygen, flow rate and pressure in the reactor. It also automates the operation system. This is the 3D image of the membrane bioreactor. This image shows that how the wastewater is treated inside the bioreactor. Next, we are going to see about the types of membrane bioreactor. There are two types of membrane bioreactor. One is submerged bioreactor and another one is side stream bioreactor. Submerged MBR. Submerged MBR is a type of membrane bioreactor in which the membrane modules are immersed directly inside the aeration tank and treated water is withdrawn using a low suction pressure. The next one is side stream MBR. Side stream MBR is a type of membrane bioreactor in which the membrane unit is located outside the bioreactor, whereas in submerged MBR, The membrane bioreactor is located inside the membrane bioreactor, but in side stream MBR it is located outside the bioreactor. Mixed liquid from the aeration tank is pumped through the membrane module under high pressure, and it is treated, and the treated water is then separated. Next, we are going to see about the advantages and disadvantages of the membrane bioreactor. The major advantages of the membrane bioreactor are: it produces a high quality effluent. It also removes the bacteria and pathogens more effectively. There is no secondary clarifier is required for this treatment. It is one of the smaller plant footprint. Higher MLSS concentration is required. It is up to 8,000 to 15,000 mg per liter. It is one of the most suitable for water reuse applications. Disadvantages of the MBR: the membrane bioreactor is most expensive. It may cause some fouling issues in the membrane. After one cycle, cleaning process is required for the membranes. High energy consumption than the conventional systems. The membrane replacement is also most expensive. Applications of the membrane bioreactor. The membrane bioreactor is most commonly used in municipal wastewater treatment and industrial effluent treatments. It is also used for wastewater to reuse and recycle. In some other institutions like hospitals and healthcare, the water is released in excess way. The released excess water is treated by the membrane bioreactor and removed as pure water. Decentralized treatment systems like apartments, in hostels and institutions. High strength wastewater treatment and upgrading existing treatment plants. In this method, we can recycle and reuse the wastewater. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.